Introducing LIC's Sales Sathi, the sales playbook app designed to redefine customer engagement for LIC agents. It is the ultimate tool to leverage technology in transforming our services and interactions with both potential and existing customers. With LIC's Sales Sathi, you can unlock your full sales and customer engagement potential at every stage of the sales cycle. From gathering a prospect's contact information and scheduling meetings to following up, conducting customer meetings, onboarding new clients, and delivering seamless post-sales service, LIC's Sales Sathi supports you every step of the way. Now, here is how LIC's Sales Sathi becomes your essential companion at each stage of the sales cycle. Our lead gen tools and microsites make it easy to find and connect with the right prospects, helping you generate qualified leads effortlessly. You can lock in that crucial meeting with compelling sales pitches and product-ready reckoners that can be instantly shared with your prospects and spark their interest. With personalized product pitch posters, LIC's Sales Sathi keeps your communications timely, relevant, and professional, helping you stay in touch and follow up with prospects. Every customer has unique needs, and no two sales agents are alike. Understanding your prospects' requirements is crucial, and our need analysis tool helps you tailor your approach to meet those specific needs. During a customer meeting, if the focus is on premium details, you can instantly access our Premium Calculator to provide accurate information. Additionally, our combo tools enable you to present data-driven proposals that resonate with your customer's unique situation. For customers interested in specific plans, you can generate detailed quotes on the spot, guiding the conversation toward a successful conversion. To further personalize your approach, our multilanguage video presentations ensure your message reaches close to home, regardless of your prospect's native language. When your prospect becomes a customer, onboarding is seamless with contextual reminder posters that guide them through every step effortlessly. Your relationship doesn't end with the sale. Our app helps you with post-sale reminders and follow-ups, making post-sale service effortless and maintaining strong customer engagement. With LIC's Sales Sathi, every step of your sales journey is supported by cutting-edge tools and resources, helping you deliver exceptional service and build lasting relationships. We are thrilled to launch LIC's Sales Sathi. This app is designed to be more than just a one-time solution. It's built for continuous improvement, ensuring that it evolves with your needs. At launch, LIC's Sales Sathi will be available in both English and Hindi, with content expanding to 10 languages by December 2024. Initially, the app will feature plan presentation and quote generation, poster of the day, digital visiting card, and sales-ready reckoners. Soon after, we'll be rolling out additional features like microsites, lead gen tools, and video presentations. Our commitment to continuous improvement focuses on 3 key areas: staying up to date on all our products, adding new features, and providing fresh content. Expect weekly updates to keep the app current and effective. To ensure you have the support you need, LIC's Sales Sathi offers multiple channels for assistance, including telephonic support, email, chat, and WhatsApp. We are excited to have you join us on this journey as LIC's Sales Sathi transforms the way you work. Embrace the future of sales with LIC's Sales Sathi and watch your success soar.